What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this video, I'm going to go over the difference with day trading and swing trading and find out which personality suits and which should you be doing, either swinging or day trading, so stay tuned. So swing trading versus day trading, it's kind of the opposite ends of the spectrum. Depending on what type of trader you are, this will certainly make a difference to you. So I'm just going to break down in terms what the difference with swing trading and day trading is, very basic. So day trading is simply buying and selling a stock in the same day. If you were stuck in the PDT rule, you are only allowed 3 day trades per week, which means you can only buy and sell a stock on the same day 3 times that week. Day trading can either last for a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, or even buy it in the morning, sell it in the evening before close. That's considered day trading. The most common form of day trading is usually in and out of a trade within a couple of minutes or maybe an hour. That certainly is my style. I don't usually like to day trade things for too long. I'm more of a momentum style trader as well, but that is kind of a form of day trading. In terms of swing trading can be either you hold a stock for a day, a month, or a year, depending on your style. Personally, I only like to swing trade possibly 1 stock per week. It's just nice to kind of try get an extra bit of green in the portfolio for the end of the week or the start of the week, depending on what your swing schedule is. There is some traders out there that solely only do swings and have great success in it. So I'm kind of telling you guys to find out what style of trader you are, and this will help you kind of get green and put you in the right direction as well. It also comes down to personality on what type of trader you are going to be in terms of a swing trader or a day trader. If you don't like having your money exposed over long periods of time, if you're finding you can't sleep usually at night with worrying, well then day trading is for you. If you don't like fast moving stocks that are low floating, high volume, and you kind of would rather not have a heart attack some days, well then swing trading is for you. And also you can day trade slower moving stocks also, which maybe isn't such heart racing, but usually it is considered that you're trading fast paced stocks. So just bear that in mind and kind of choose what person you are when it comes down to either day trading or swing trading. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education. And I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link, guys. I hope you all enjoy.